Hello, my dear students. Welcome to science class. And now we begin with lesson number 11, Nation's Pride. It is on your textbook page 88, children. Textbook page 88. After the second term, that is in after the Diwali vacation, that is after the first term, we have already completed three lessons, children. Lesson number 8, 9, and 10. And also I have sent you the notes of the lesson on the WhatsApp group. So students, I hope you have completed lesson 8, 9, 10 in your workbook. If not, kindly complete it. Because this is the fourth lesson we are doing in the second term, children. So now we begin with the lesson. See, the name of the lesson is Nation's Pride. Nation's pride means our country's proud people. Who can make our country proud? We don't have to become big leaders, or we don't have to become big army. We don't have to join always the army or the navy or the air force to become the proud of India. See, we can become our nation's pride by fulfilling our duties, by having that awareness that we belong to India. India is our motherland. Taking care of our country, also taking care of the people of our country, children. So it is not that we can only do something for our nation by becoming a soldier or something like that, or becoming a political leader. No, we can do for our nation, our duty for the nation we can fulfill when we do our duties on time. As a student, we can just study properly, do keep honesty, speak the truth, be punctual, be particular, keep cleanliness around, keep our environment clean. And there are so many other things as a student that you can do to make our country feel proud. See, students, when you work hard, when you concentrate on your studies, when you do the work on time, when you take care of the surroundings, grow plants, even when you pick up a small paper from the ground, that is also you're doing duty for the nation, children. Because it is said that if we keep our home clean, our surrounding clean, our what we say, our locality clean, our building clean, our area clean, or our road clean, automatically if all of us do this small task in our area, then the country will become clean. So small things can be done by us, and we can achieve the pride of for our nation. We can become a proud for our nation, children. So in this lesson we'll be discussing about two small children who have done so much to save the lives of many people. You must have heard this story also before, children. So you can show your bravery, you can use your presence of mind, you can use your intelligence to save people around you. There are many things happening around you. Sometimes accident happen, or many other things which are not in our hands, that also happen. But at that time, if you use your presence of mind, if we become more aware of the things around us, then definitely we can help the people around us. So let us begin with lesson number 11, Nation's Pride, page 88, children. Please keep your textbook open. Vatsa and Ayushi were watching TV. Just then Ketul and Honey came back from the temple with Grandma. Grandma asked Vatsa and Ayushi, "What are you watching in the TV? Do you know about him?" Vatsa said, "Yes, this is about Fearless Azad." So they were watching about Chandrasekhar Azad on the TV. They were watching some show. They were watching some film on that TV. And at by that time, who are watching this TV show? Vatsa and Ayushi. And Ketul, Honey, and their grandma just came home from the temple, and they asked, "What are you watching on the TV now?" So Vatsa said, "Yes, I know. I'm watching about the Fearless Azad." The real name of Azad was Chandrasekhar. So Grandma says, Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar. Since childhood he was brave. Since childhood he was a freedom fighter. Chandrasekhar was a freedom fighter. Now who are freedom fighters? Those who have fought and laid their lives for the freedom of our country, because you know our country was under the rule of British rule. They were under our country was under British rule, and we became independent on 15th August 1947. But it was not easy. The Britishers ruled us for about 300 and more than 350 years, and they had done many, what we say, tortures and many other things on Indians. So, and see, when we are not free, a bird in the cage, when it is not free, it cannot do anything on its own. Same way, we were under the rule of British. So, to make our country free, to make our motherland free from the clutches of the Britishers, our freedom fighters have fought so many times, and they have laid their lives. They have done all types of satyagraha and many things. When you study history about India, you will come to know, and you have already seen so many movies and so many, what we say, episodes regarding this same, that how our country became free with the help of these freedom fighters. If our freedom fighters had not worked hard, if they had not laid their lives, today what we are enjoying the benefits of our free India, we could have not even enjoyed even a single moment of our life. So we should be always grateful to our freedom fighters. So these are the freedom fighters. Chandrasekhar was one of them. Since childhood he was brave. He sacrificed for the freedom of the country. Sacrifice means what? Gave his life. He died for motherland. That is called as what? Sacrifice. जब कोई बहादुर सिपाही मरते तो हम लोग उनको मरना नहीं बोलते, हम लोग बोलते शहीद हो गए. शहीद होना मतलब अपने मदरलैंड के लिए अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस कर दे रहा. Ketul and Honey, you also watch this film. So grandma said, you also watch this film. Afterwards, I shall tell you the story of one such fearless child. So it is not like that only freedom fighters are brave. Children like you also are brave. बस बात उतनी से कि आपको अंदर से आपको वो अवेयरनेस लानी है, आपको वो हिम्मत लानी है. You all are brave children. So we can be helpful to any needy person. That you have to keep in mind. And don't forget our freedom fighters. We should always, in the morning when we get up, as we pray to God, we should also be thankful to these freedom fighters. Those, they have done so many things for us that we can't even repay them at any cost, children. Freedom fighters like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, so many names, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, and so Shivaji, and many names are there. And sometimes we can't miss their name also. So all freedom fighters, those who have sacrificed, those who have done for our country, really we can't repay them at any cost, children. They have done a great deal for us. They have made our India free, and now we are enjoying the freedom of our country. Now we are enjoying the fruits of what they have done for us. Okay, children. So see this picture, the story grandma is telling. See here, one boy is standing. Suddenly he saw that the railway track has been broken. अब ये railway track अगर टूटा हुआ है, you can see in the picture, children. अगर ये टूटा हुआ है तो क्या हो सकता है? Naturally, ट्रेन इस पे से ट्रैक को छोड़ देगी और ट्रेन हो जाएगी कोलैप्स. ओके, डीरेल हो जाएगी ट्रेन. तो बहुत सारे लोग, और इसकी स्पीड भी कम करनी है, कैसे होगा? सो इमीडिएटली उसने अपना दिमाग यूज़ किया. ट्रेन जोरों से स्पीड से आ रही है, ट्रेन इज कमिंग एट अ ग्रेट स्पीड. ही वॉज वेयरिंग द रेड शर्ट. आपको इसमें थोड़ा इसमें ऑरेंज लगेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली ही वॉज वेयरिंग द रेड शर्ट. तो फटाक से उसने अपना रेड शर्ट निकाला और उसको सिग्नल बनाकर ही शोड टू द इंजन ड्राइवर देयर. तो दूर से इंजन ड्राइवर को दिखा, और क्या हुआ होगा? दिखा के रेड है. रेड मतलब आपको पता है ना किसके लिए यूज होता है? रेड मीन्स टू स्टॉप. रेड कलर signal or red color thing is used to make the person, the drivers, understand that we have to stop. So the driver stopped, and when he got down from the train, he thanked this boy. And on 26th January and on 15th August, we usually honor these brave children. So he was awarded by his school and some great ministers might be. So this is the story, children. So understood? I hope you understood this story, children. Now, so here the, what we say, come on page, next page, that is page 89, children. Here see the boy is getting honored here. So here you have to just discuss the story, and whatever you are observed you have to write down here. Place of the, like this, all these question answers I will be giving you in the workbook, children. And here you have to discuss one event with someone, any story, and write down here. Place of the event means what had happened, and the note of the इवेंट. मतलब आप आपने कोई ऐसा इवेंट आपके लाइफ में हो तो आपको यहाँ पर मेंशन करना है कि शायद आपने भी कुछ ऐसा ब्रेव काम किया हो या कोई भी अच्छा काम किया हो. वो इवेंट, you have to write down the name of the event and the story of the event. Here you have to write down the place, you have to write down the characters, you have to write down note and note about event. मतलब कुछ भी आपके लाइफ में आपका कुछ अच्छा हुआ होगा तो 2-3 बातें वो आपको लिखनी है. जैसे कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो कि द रोड पे शायद कोई पानी गिरा होगा या कुछ ज़्यादा ऑयल गिरा होगा तो कैसे आपने लोगों को बचाया है. ऐसा कुछ भी स्टोरी आप बना के लिख सकते हो. सो दैट इज अप टू यू. एनी 2-3 स्टोरीज यू कैन राइट हियर चिल्ड्रन. सो दैट इज अबाउट द इवेंट, मेमोरेबल इवेंट, एंड यू टू राइट डाउन द कैरेक्टर्स. सो आपने शायद ऐसा भी देखा होगा कि कोई बच्चा पानी में डूब रहा हो और अचानक से आपने क्या बोलते हैं सबको चिल्लाकर बुलाया हो और उसकी जान बचाई हो. एनीथिंग लाइक दैट चिल्ड्रन. सो it is up to you that what happened due to your presence of mind, means how could you save the life of the people. Like this 2-3 events are there and I will be giving the story, no doubt, but you also mention your own story in your own words in the workbook children. Nothing you have to write in the textbook, you have to write everything in the workbook children. So we'll come on page. So here you have to write down the stories children. 2-3 stories you have to write down. Okay, it is your choice, you can make your own story and write down. Now we continue with the lesson children, that reading part. Learn about the historical events that occurred around you. In those events there must be talk about martyrs too. What is the meaning of martyr children? Any शहीद. martyr का मतलब होता है शहीद, मतलब जिसने देश की आज़ादी के लिए या देश की सुरक्षा के लिए, like how soldiers lay their lives, that is they become शहीद, and in English it is called as what? martyr. So आपको कोई भी यहाँ पर एक मार्टियर के बारे में लिखना है और जिसने आपके क्या बोलते देश को या अपने एरिया को, जैसे अपना गुजरात है तो अपने को किसी गुजरात के बारे में लिखना है. दैट आई विल गिविंग यू इन द वर्कबुक चिल्ड्रन. सो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? लेट मार्टियर, लेट पूनमचंद जयशंकर पांड्या, बॉर्न 1905 एंड डाइड 1948. तो ये एक मार्टियर था, शहीद इंसान थे जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ अपने देश के लिए. तो ये ग्रैंड माँ स्टोरी बोल रही है. आई शैल टेल यू अबाउट द मार्टियर पूनमचंद पंड्या. ये आपने शायद सब हिस्ट्री बुक्स में नहीं पढ़ा होगा, शायद आपने ये सब इनका नाम शायद नहीं सुना होगा. जैसे आपने महात्मा गांधी, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट महात्मा गांधी, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट भगत सिंह, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, क्योंकि उन पे फिल्म्स भी बनी है, उन पे बहुत सारी फिल्म्स भी बनी है, तो आपको शायद उनके नाम याद है. लेकिन ही इज़ अ मार्टियर, ही ऑल्सो लेड इज लाइफ फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो विल स्टडी अबाउट पूनमचंद पंड्या. So grandma is telling the story children. I shall tell you about the martyr Poonamchand Pandya. It was a time when the Britishers were ruling in Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district. ये कहाँ का विलेज है? मेघरज विलेज, अपने गुजरात का ही है, साबरकांठा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. Where every year the festival of Holi was celebrated with great fervor means बहुत ज़्यादा होली अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट होती है. Yet the Britishers had a bad law. The British officials would make a statue named Lajji, which would be of man of not wearing any clothes, and the statue would be put in the village center. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. So Britishers ने इतने अलग अलग अत्याचार किए. They have tortured us in many ways. Physically, mentally, emotionally बहुत torture किया. तो ये इन्होंने एक क्या बनाया था? एक स्टैच्यू बनाया था, नेकेड स्टैच्यू विदाउट एनी क्लोथ्स. एंड द विलेजर्स कंपल्सरी होली सेलिब्रेट के बदले दे हैव टू कम देयर एंड जस्ट मेक राउंड्स अराउंड द स्टैच्यू. मतलब वो स्टैच्यू के आजू बाजू सबको घूमना था, गोल गोल चक्कर काटना था. सो कम ऑन पेज 91 चिल्ड्रन. Once the youth of the village got together, they were brought together by a young man called Poonamchand Pandya. So this is a bad thing or not children? Okay, one statue without clothes was kept at the village center and all the villagers had to compulsory go around that statue, means take rounds around that statue. So is it a good thing? No, it was a bad thing done by Britishers. So that was very bad. So now Poonamchand Pandya was a youth मतलब young person, and उसने सब दूसरे यूथ को भी जमा किया, मीन्स ही गैदर्ड ऑल द अदर पीपल एंड डिस्कस्ड. द ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स गॉट द स्टैच्यू मेड एंड वेंट अवे. At night, Poonamchand and his friends broke the statue. Next day, when everybody came there to follow the rule by the Britishers, there was no statue. When the officials inquired, Poonamchand Pandya accepted his offense. The court ran the case. Poonamchand was sentenced. Suno. So what did the Britishers made that statue? Lajji statue. Lajji matlab without clothes. And next day was Holi festival. So all the villagers had to come and take rounds around that naked statue. Now, but at night only, Poonam Chand and his friends broke that statue. So next day when the villagers came, there was no statue. So Britishers asked who had done this. So Poonam Chand accepted that we have done this. And so Poonam Chand was taken to jail. In the court he was taken first, and in the court he got the sentence. Sentence का मतलब होता है sentence नहीं, आपका वाक्य नहीं, sentence मतलब जेल उसको हुई. सो द कोर्ट रैन द केस कोर्ट में केस चला और पूनम चंद को क्या हुई, सजा. सजा मतलब सेंटेंस. द लॉ ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स स्लेवरी वॉज रिमूव्ड. पूनम चंद टुक पार्ट इन द फाइट ऑफ नॉन कॉपरेशन अगेंस्ट द फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट. जब ये केस चला तब पूनम चंद को भले जेल हुई, लेकिन उन्होंने बताया कि ब्रिटिशर्स हम पे क्या करते थे. फिर ब्रिटिशर्स की जो ये आदत थी वो निकाली गई और पूनम चंद ने फिर किस में पार्ट किया, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. मतलब जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ नहीं चलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं, वो मूवमेंट को बोलते हैं नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. सो गवर्नमेंट किसकी थी, ब्रिटिशर्स की गवर्नमेंट थी. तो उसमें हमारे सब गांधी जी ने क्या बोला था, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट की थी कि वी शुड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट, वी शुड नॉट टेक पार्ट इन द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड वी शुड नॉट ज्वाइन द गवर्नमेंट ड्यूटीज, वी शुड नॉट वर्क फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. ये कब की बात है, जब ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट थी. अभी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट में ऐसा नहीं करना है. सो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. इन ऑर्डर टू फ्री द कंट्री पूनम चंद वेंट टू जेल सेवरल टाइम्स. इसी चक्कर में जब उन्होंने जेल जाना पड़ा बहुत बार, पूनम चंद हैड टू गो टू prison many times because he had participated in the freedom struggle for our Indians and against the British. To remember this patriot मतलब देशभक्त. पेट्रियट मतलब जो देश की भक्ति करता है, देशभक्त. there is a statue in his श्री PCN हाई स्कूल इवन टुडे. मतलब आज जो स्कूल है मेघरज में, वहाँ पे भी उनका स्टैच्यू बना हुआ है बिकॉज ही बिलोंग टू मेघरज. To keep his name immortal, a road in this city is also named Freedom Fighter पूनम चंद पंड्या रोड. उनके नाम से रोड का भी नाम रखा गया है, फ्रीडम फाइटर पूनम चंद पंड्या रोड. आपको पता होगा स्टूडेंट्स, वापी में हमारे ही आशाधाम के एक स्टूडेंट है प्रेम कुमार पाटिल. वो जब शहीद हुए थे, मतलब व्हेन ही डाइड फॉर द सेक ऑफ द कंट्री, तब यहाँ पर उनको बहुत रिस्पेक्ट के साथ उनको सब सैल्यूटेशन के साथ साथ उनको श्रद्धांजलि दी गई थी. And on his name there is a garden which is made as Prem Kumar Patil Garden. on Sharwada Road पे एक garden है that is called as Prem Kumar Patil Garden. तो ऐसे ही whenever people get martyrs or when they become what we say, when they die for the sake of the country, so the civilians मतलब हम जैसे लोग, फिर उनके लिए एटलीस्ट कुछ नहीं तो उनकी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. वी शुड हेल्प द फैमिली मेम्बर्स ऑफ दिस आर्मी पीपल. हमें आर्मी फंड में पैसे जमा करने चाहिए. एंड वी शुड ऑलवेज गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस आर्मी पीपल और सोल्जर्स और द नेवी पीपल और द एयरफोर्स पीपल बाय रिस्पेक्टिंग देयर फैमिली, बाय गिविंग, बाय इन्वेस्टिंग और what we say, collecting funds for them. And also such great people can also be given respect after their death or when they become martyrs. उनके नाम पे कोई गार्डन बना दो या उनके नाम पे कोई रोड बना दो. सो दैट इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ अ रिस्पेक्ट और वी शो अवर ग्रेटिट्यूड टूवर्ड्स देम कि हमको थैंक्स बोलना है. आज उन लोग हैं तो हम लोग आराम की नींद सोते हैं बच्चों, बिकॉज अवर सोल्जर्स आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन एट ऑल द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो वी आर सेफ इन साइड द कंट्री. वी स्लीप so easily. We are not at all worried about our neighbors, enemies. Okay, so children, so there is a great story about all these children, you know very well. So here in this discussion you have to write down the martyrs name and मतलब कोई भी आप, जैसे मैंने आपको प्रेम कुमार पाटिल का जो एग्जांपल दिया, फिर उसके बारे में इवेंट्स लिखने हैं आपको. दिस आई विल बी गिविंग इन योर वर्क बुक चिल्ड्रन. ऑल दिस नोट्स आई विल बी गिविंग यू. सी हियर द पिक्चर्स ऑफ many patriots are given here. And what would you do if this happens, if your friend suddenly suffers from nausea? अभी आपको आपकी प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड क्या होगी. अगर एक आपके फ्रेंड को चक्कर जैसा आ रहा था, आप उसके लिए क्या क्या करोगे. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर. इफ एन एपिडेमिक स्ट्राइक्स योर विलेज. अभी देखो अपने यहाँ पे पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, जब पूरा, तो हमारी क्या ड्यूटीज़ है. वी शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ नॉट spreading these diseases. So we should be wearing masks, we should be using sanitizers, we should not assemble at a place, or we should be maintaining the social distance of, okay, so whatever our guidelines are given by our prime minister and whatever the guidelines are given by our warriors and the country, what we say, the news channel, and whatever they give us the guidance, we should follow that, because now this is the time that we can do something for our country, at least by following the rules and regulations properly. So if there is a theft at your neighbor's house, so sometimes when a theft is there, what would you do? So here there are many incidents given that how can you help our neighbors, how can we help our country? So by becoming, not only, I'm not telling that everyone should become soldiers and all, but at least by doing small small duties properly, we can definitely help our country people, we can help our country, and we can make our country more richer and more, what we say, ahead of the other countries. So here many extra information is given here, children. When children do brave work, जब children, किसी की जान बचाना ही bravery नहीं है, अच्छे काम करना भी एक bravery है. So when children do some good deeds and bravery work, तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऑनर के अवार्ड्स दिए हुए. सी देयर आर मैनी अवार्ड्स. नेशनल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड्स सिंस 1957 से शुरू हुआ है. संजय चोपड़ा अवार्ड 1978, गीता चोपड़ा अवार्ड 1978, भारत अवार्ड 1987, Bapu Gayadhani Award 1988. So these are the different awards which are awarded for the children like you. If you do some extraordinary deeds, if you do some good deeds for our country people, or if you do some good deeds for our country, naturally you will be also, your names will be also given for these types of awards, children. So I hope you understood this lesson, nation's pride. Nation pride means what we, how can we make our country proud, and how, what are our duties, fundamental duties as a citizen, as a student of our country. We can do many things at this level also, children. So I hope you are being aware what is going around you at this current situation, in this pandemic situation, in this COVID situation. We have to be very aware, we have to take care of ourselves, we have to take care of our people around us, and we have to be aware and do something for the country, children. So at least I hope you do now at present, you follow the rules and regulations, and strictly don't go out, keep social distancing. Don't go out means what, unless and until necessary, please don't go out. Don't think that हमको थोड़ी होगा corona. Please take care, children, because now it is your duty, moral duty, after listening to this lesson, children, it is our duty to do something for our country, students. So I hope you have, children, understood this lesson, nation's pride, and read some good stories about our freedom fighters. या तो यूट्यूब पे, या आप कोई टीवी बोलते हैं, फिल्म्स वगैरह, यू कैन सी द मैनी फिल्म्स रिगार्डिंग अवर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स, गेट नॉलेज अबाउट शिवाजी, अबाउट तात्या तोपे. देर आर सो मैनी फिल्म्स ऑन अवर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. सो नाउ यू आर हैविंग टाइम, सो यू कैन वॉच द फिल्म्स बेस्ड ऑन देयर स्टोरी. सो आपको उनकी स्टोरी और अच्छी लगेगी, आपको समझ में आएगा कि क्या एक्चुअल हालत थी. फिर अपना ये क्या बोलते हैं, 1857 में जो रेवोल्यूशन अपना जब स्टार्ट हुआ था. सो दैट स्टोरीज, देर आर मैनी स्टोरीज, हाउ अवर रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्टेड, हाउ अवर फ्रीडम फाइटर स्टार्टेड. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू प्लीज गो थ्रू द मूवीज. अगर आपको बुक्स पढ़ने को कंटाला आता है, गो थ्रू द मूवीज एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड that what we can do for our country, children. So okay, thank you.